Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. So normally, Shopify has a built-in order status page, and you can link it to it and basically add a tracking page or even use an app for advanced tracking if you want to. So there are different methods to do so. So the first method is an example, which is the easiest, and this will already exist in Shopify. If you don't have it enabled, you can check if you want to. So when an order is shipped, customers gets normally an email with a track order link, and the link opens the Shopify order status page, and you do not need any setup or any setup for that. And basically, good for basic tracking, but customers must use the email link. So if you want to create like a manual order tracking page, if you want to do it manually, you can go as an example here on this left panel and click on online store, then go and click on pages. And here's an example, you can go and add a page, name it order tracking, and then you can add an example like an HTML code, and you can add an example where they can enter an example their specific code or an example number and email where they can track their order. But this is a little bit annoying and hard to do. So the best method that most people use is simply using an app. So on this left panel, you can go and click on apps, click on all recommended apps, and then click on Shopify App Store. In here, we'll have to look for apps that will let us track our order. So example, here you can just look for track order or tracking, whatever works, and you will find a lot of apps to do so. So you can ignore this ads or advertisements one, and here you have multiple apps. So which app can you use? It actually depends on you because each app has maybe slight different features from the other apps. Also, it will be different. So it might work in your country, this app, the other app it might not. And some apps has the free option, some apps has just paid plans. Some apps, even if they are free, they have just some limited orders and stuff like that. So you can go to each app if you want to make a research and see what are the reviews, see the pricing plans, and then if you like, as an example, a specific app, like maybe you like this or that, whatever you want, you can simply go and click on install. Let's say an example, I'm going to use this one. So once you click on install, you'll have to click on install again, and you'll have basically to enable the tracking page with the app. So the app will tell you exactly what to do or will tell you exactly what to do depending on the different app that you're going to use. So an example, just keep clicking on next and use or just do whatever they are telling you to do. So example, select the tracking page that suits your store. So which tracking page do you want? So for me, I'm just going to let it like that. And here's an example, your branded tracking page is ready. They created my tracking page. So you can click on done, as you can see. So let me just wait. And here we are. You start normally on the free plan. If you want to upgrade this example for a better plan, if the free plan is not enough anymore, you can go and get another plan. If you want to get much or more orders, it might be a little bit more expensive. And of course, if you pay annually, it will be a little bit more cheaper. So where can you find the tracking app as example? So on this left panel, as you can see, you can click on tracking page, or you can click on the three dots and click on manage app. So both will work. And as you can see here, you'll find the link, or as I said, on this left panel, you can click on the app and click on tracking page. And here, as you can see, you'll find your tracking page like link. You can just go and copy it, open a new tab and enter it. And here you are, you will have your tracking page ready. They can just enter their order number, email or phone, click on track your order, and they will be able to do it. You can click on customize to customize the page however you want. And once you finish, make sure just to save the changes and you should be good to go. You can even add custom section, edit the URL if you want to, as you can see from here, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.